Good morning, my dear class 5 students. So, students, how are you all? Just fit and fine at your home? Okay, students, too good it is. So, be at your home and be safe, okay? So, students, here I am your teacher, Miss Aarti Negi from your school, and we are going to study our chapter number 3, that is the moon. Yes, already we have students discussed some topics related to this topic. The first one was I have told you about some facts related to the moon. Then I have gave you some knowledge related to the surface of moon, okay? And then students, we have discussed that why there is no life exist in the surface on the surface of moon, because of the absence of two major things. That is, the first one is air and second one is water. And apart from these two things, the temperature there, it varies too much. During the day it is too high and during the night it is too low. Then students, I have gave you a homework that you will have to find out the name of the third person who have gone to the moon along with Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin. So the name of that person is Mr. Collins, okay? Or you can say his name is Carl Correns. So they were the three persons that they have gone to the moon in their spacecraft, that is Apollo 11. Now students, today we will study about the moon and the tides. In our last session class, I have gave you information regarding the gravitational pull of moon, okay? That I have gave you the definition of gravitational pull, that is the force exerted by large celestial objects like moon, sun, earth, other planets towards each other, that they attract each other towards them. So this is called the gravitational pull. So as I told you that gravitational pull is also exerted by moons, so it causes the change in the movement of the ocean water, and that is called tides. So here its definition is the rhythmic rising and falling movement of ocean water are called tides. If ever you have gone to any beaches area, then you can easily observe these tides, high tides and low tides. There are two types of tides. The first one is high tide and second one is low tide. So students, let me tell you about the tides. So with the help of this picture, this concept will be easier for you to understand. See, this is our earth and this is the structure of moon. Now, as I told you earlier, that moon is exerting a gravitational pull to attract the earth towards itself. But as you can see, the size of earth is too big as comparative to the moon. So what happens that due to this gravitational pull, the position of earth doesn't change, but yes, the water that is present in the oceans of earth, they do changes their position due to the gravitational pull of moon. Okay, now I am giving you a closer look so that you can get it very easily. So the water of seas and ocean on the sides of earth that are facing the moon. Here, this position, the moon attracts the water towards itself, so the water gets attract upside, or you can say upward, and causes the high tide. Same it happens at the just opposite end also. Here also it causes the high tide. So now the area between these two high tides, it forms the low tide area, because water is shifted to high tides area, so these area gets the low tide options. Okay, so water has moved because of the high tide, so this all the water is moving towards here, water is moving towards here, so that's why these two areas become the area of low tides. So students, every day the rotation of the earth causes 2 high tides and 2 low tides. Every day it happens, 2 area of high tide and 2 area of low tide. And yes, during the time of full moon, in Hindi it is called Purnima. So during the time of full moon, or you can say the new moon, the highest tide between on the day of new moon or a full moon, the high tides occur. Now let me show you some images of high tide and low tide, then you will get the knowledge of these areas very easily. As you can say, it is an image of a same place. This time it is high tide, so this area is filled with water, and this area is the same place, but this is a time of low tide, so all the water has gone, so it is now empty. It is also an image of, these two images are of same place. This is a time of low tide, or this is a time of high tide. So during the high tide, the water comes upside, and during the low tide, the water goes towards the ocean. Again, these two images are of same place. This is a low tide time and this is a high tide. In this image, the water is not there because it is low tide time, and here the water is the water is filled around because of the high tide. Same in these two images, these two images are of same place, but this is a time of high tide, water is filled here, and this is a time of low tide, so water is gone towards the ocean. Again, this is a image of same place. Yes, you can see it is a image of same place. In the first image, this is a time of low tide, so there is no water here present, but same area, this is a time of high tide, and this complete area is submerged with water. So students, by looking these images, you can easily find out the difference between low tides and high tides. During the high tides, water goes towards the beaches area and it submerged the some land area. Okay, and during the low tide, water moves down towards the ocean, so the beach area becomes free from water again. So this is how the low tide and high tide occur in the oceans of in the oceans of earth, due to the gravitational pull of moon. Yes, this is an important term. The high tide and low tide are two phenomena that happens on the surface of earth in ocean water, only because of the gravitational force of moon. So students, that's it for today. Just do watch these pictures again, and then by the help of these pictures you can easily get the difference between high tide and low tide as it is shown. The image. Now students, take out your science rough notebook and write down the definition of tides, and do watch this video again to get the concept clear to you. And yes students, also just write down all the important topics of this chapter. So that's it for today. Thank you. Be at your home. Stay safe. Okay, bye.